Hello, dear parents. Welcome back to our hashtag underscore good life channel. And after a long time, I'm posting a kids related video. And today's video, I'm going to share regarding the sensorial activity. So, sensorial activity is very important for the kids in at their younger age as well. The kids from their 6 months, 7 months, you can start these activities. It will be a very fun activity. So, stay tuned till the end. So, first activity here, I am keeping few animals pictures. So this is very simple. I have cut out from the chart papers the animals charts which it comes. So I have cut out that the wild animals, and inside the rice here what I'm using. So I'll put all these animals inside that. So let's see how exactly we are going to mix it. So now here I had covered up all the pictures. So the kid have to take out the pictures of the animals like this. Here I have used the wild animals pictures. You can use different other pictures, maybe domestic animals or any colors, whatever you can use, small, their toys also. So the main point is you just keep a heap of rice in any of the container in a good amount of rice you take, whatever toys or whatever you want, you just ask them to dig like this, and then they have to take out the pictures or the toys or whatever. This is a very fun activity and the kids literally love this activity, so try out with your kids too. Like this, you can also use this kind of alphabets. I am over here using the lowercase alphabets. You can also use the uppercase, you can use the numbers. So these are the floating ones in place of this rice. In my last one of the video I have shared where I have kept this same and the alphabets as a floating pattern, so that also you can keep it. So this all things enhance the kids understanding, and this all helps them for their development as well. So here what is the activity you can do it, take out, let them take out one alphabets and ask them two objects which is starting from that particular alphabets, and this will be a fun activity along with the learning. So try out this activity as well with your kids. So next sensorial bag is a glitter gel bag, and for this I have taken over here hair gel and some glitters and one ziploc bag. So what we have to do it over here in this ziploc bag, first we have to put our this hair gel, and then we can put the glitters. In the place of glitters you can also use different kind of other activities, maybe small any pom poms you can keep. You can take some buttons also, whatever you want you can take on that. So first you have to insert, you have to fill with that gel, little amount of gel and very little amount of glitters. In this bag I have put a little bit more amount of glitter, but you just take a very little amount of glitter. If you want you can take also this kind of little bit of sanitizers also, and then crush them, and then this your sensorial bag is ready. Now ask them to trace over them, like the tracing you can do with this. The third sensory activities which you can do with your kids is with playing with sand. So if you don't have sand area nearby your place, you can buy some quick sands which are available online also. As I am having sand areas nearby my area, so I generally used to take her to the playgrounds or to the beach area so that she can play with sands. So this is a very good activity. Buy this kind of beach toys. I'll share the description, in the description box I'll share the link of the different kind of beach toys. This beach toys, it is actually a very good play for them, so do this activity. So this is very simple activity. In the beach toys you will have this kind of molds. Ask the kids to fill the molds with the sands and then tap it like this, and some like different shapes will be there which they enjoy. Let the kids play with this beach toys whatever the way they want to, because the sands, touching the sands and this all is very important so that they can get the finger grip. Let the kids make some of their own creatures, like here she was trying to make a sand man. And the final one activity which I'll share is this kind of leaves. You can give the small small leaves and they have to take out. You can give dhania, pudina also to them at whenever you are getting from your vegetable market. That point of time you can give them that also. You can give this kind of, you can take them into some garden and ask them to pluck the grasses. That is also very good exercises, and it will help the kids for their finger gripping. And obviously after that every activity you use a sanitizer, which is very much important nowadays. So this was today's video and I hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe the channel.